started our day with a walk over to Tin Cup Coffee for our morning coffee and just chilled for a little bit before we met up with friends to go out and ride these beautiful roads in South Dakota. The scenery is just absolutely amazing. The wide open skies, the beautiful trees, just the difference in elevation. It was absolutely stunning. So we headed out with our friends Rod and Janie, and Wayne was behind me on the Pan America. Got to really enjoy all these views as we headed over to Mount Rushmore. We went through the little town of Keystone, South Dakota, which is just a quaint little town, really cool, all kinds of restaurants and shops, and decided that we're going to head on out to Mount Rushmore, and then we'll come back to Keystone to grab something to eat after we're done out there. So really cool little town. Definitely recommend that you check it out. As we continued on to Mount Rushmore, you'll see that we arrived and parking was easy. It wasn't super full the day that we were there, which was great, but I've never been physically to Mount Rushmore, so that was really cool to get to see that and just enjoy this beautiful scenery on the way. My friend Janie was absolutely able to capture some amazing shots while we were out riding, so that was kind of fun to get some actual photos from the journey as well. And then we arrived at Mount Rushmore. Some hilarious t-shirts at the shops around Mount Rushmore. Couldn't help but capture that. And the views were just absolutely stunning. Met some really nice people from Europe who were over there, and then we went back to Keystone. This town is obviously set up for tourists who are headed to and from Mount Rushmore. There's lots of t-shirts and souvenirs you can pick up there. We just chose to stop and grab a bite to eat and hang out for a little bit, take a break, and then we found this amazing historic train in Keystone. Beautiful steam train.
Oh, yeah, there I see it.
Locomotive, you need a pump. You can't have electric vehicle. No, I can.
This is pretty cool, man. We are in Keystone, South Dakota, and they still run this old steam train back there. They hooked up. That's pretty cool.
That train is available for rides. You can get tickets for that. We chose to head on back to Piedmont to our Airbnb that we stayed at right behind Tin Cup Coffee. And the sunset views were just absolutely stunning. It was just a beautiful night to be riding. So just a great wrap for a beautiful day with friends and enjoying some of our nation's history and all of the scenic, panoramic, beautiful views. So highly recommend it. Make it a stop. Plan to check out both of those if you're in the area. It was well worth it, and it was just a great day overall. Appreciate you watching and encourage you to like these videos, share with friends if you like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much.